I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the niggas brown, ride and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey girlies! So today's video is going to be a haul slash unboxing slash review slash announcement video. I'm super excited to announce that I actually might be able to meet some of you guys in a couple of days. Yes girl, in a couple of days, probably like, what? So today's video is actually sponsored by Aliexpress, which feels very full circle because I've been ordering from their app slash website for like the last 10 years. So I got a couple items that I'm going to be showing you guys today, but first I want to tell you about the whole meetup. So Aliexpress is actually having an offline pop-up event in Los Angeles. It will be held August 19th to the 20th. It's at the Grove in the courtyard across from the Nike store. It's going to be from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. I'm going to be at the event, so if you guys want to pop up and say hello to me, come say hi, come be in my vlog because I am going to be vlogging. I'm going to be there with a couple of my friends, and there's going to be other influencers as well. And on the opening day of the pop-up on August 19th, comedian Tiffany Haddish is going to be there. So basically they're going to be displaying some of their products, so if you want to go and check them out, you can even go ahead and scan some of the barcodes and order it directly through your phone. And if you place an order of $100, you can use the code ALIHOUSE to get $20 off automatically. Make sure you take advantage of that code even if you're not able to go to the event. There's going to be a bunch of prizes as well. One winner will get $1,000, one winner will get $500, and two will get $250. They're also going to have a spin wheel where you can get a frisbee, a teddy bear, or a $5, $10, $20 Aliexpress coupon. So I hope I can meet some of you guys there. So let's go ahead and check out everything that I got today, and you'll probably end up seeing me wear some of these items at the event. So let's go ahead and start with our first item, and it is a bag. So let's go ahead and start with our first item, and it's this bag. Do you guys see how beautiful, how gorgeous this bag is? Like, it's so shiny. It literally looks like a spaceship. If you haven't noticed, I kind of have a thing for purses. So when I was browsing through the app and I saw this, I immediately fell in love with it. So let me open it up and show you guys. I remember when I ordered it, it was showing that it came with a chain. So if you wanted to use the bag with the chain, you have the option, but I think I'm probably just gonna actually like hold it like this. The structure of the bag is really well made, so I would definitely say it's worth the price for sure. Like $20 is not bad at all. So here is the first item, and I actually got two bags. When I tell you, I was so excited to find it. Next up, I have a top. Oh my gosh, when I saw this, immediately fell in love. And the item I'm talking about is this super cute like corset type tube top. Like, this is so freaking cute. I love the colors, the brown, the white, the cream, the black. Like, I just love it. Obviously when you see clothing for a lower price, you can get kind of nervous and you're not sure if it's going to be good quality, but like, yes. So make sure you check out the links so you can get to the exact product. I'm gonna go ahead and try on all the items after I film this video, so I'll insert the clip now of me trying it. This fits so comfortable. It's holding the girls in place. A little buckle on the side. Love. Next item is a skirt, and when I saw this I was like, okay, it's giving baddie. Like, okay, it's giving baddie. Obviously when I wear it, I'm gonna have the buckles actually like put on evenly. You see this? Look at the quality. But this is $13, and when I saw the reviews, like, I obviously checked the reviews of everything everywhere before I purchase, and everybody was like, love this, do not hesitate, buy this immediately. Next up, we have a two-piece. So let's go ahead and start with the skirt. This is how the skirt looks. So this look is definitely giving soft girl. I've recently been getting into pink a lot. I don't know if this video is gonna go up before or after my purse haul, but like, I know you can see one of the pink bags right there. I got so much pink stuff. And then here is the top. As you can see, it is definitely like a very pretty pink ruffly two-piece set. And let me see how much this costs. This is $24 for both pieces. This is so pretty. I love it. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'll definitely wear a white or a pink bra with it. This is so pretty. I don't even know what shoes I'm gonna wear. Let me know some suggestions in the comments below. What would I wear with this kind of outfit? Because you guys know I cannot wear heels. I can do a heeled boot, but I cannot wear heels. When I saw this on the website, I was like, okay, we're gonna have to do a sleek bun. This was only $10, okay? So it is long sleeve, yes, and it is very hot outside. So this is gonna be definitely worn during like the transitional period of summer to fall. So here is the top. It is a very, very deep neck, but what makes the top? Girl, it has a hood on it. It has a hood on it. I could see myself doing a very model-esque type look with this, so just wait. Do you see the vision? Do you see the vision? This is definitely gonna get worn with like some dark jeans. It is a lightweight material, so I might be able to get away with it on like a cooler day. It's like giving supermodel. On to the next item. I hate wearing bras with tank tops. I hate wearing strapless bras. They always slide down. I just hate wearing tank tops and having my bra straps just like sticking out, because girl, I never have like a white tank top and a white bra. It's always like lime green, bright pink, and it just kills the whole vibe. But when I saw that they had a tank top with a built-in bra, and here she is. And if I flip it around, you can see that there's 2 little cups in there, and then it also has 2 chains on the back. I'm excited to try this on and see if it like actually keeps the girls in place, because if so, this will be another thing that I need to repurchase in like tan, cream color, white, if they have those available. Here is the top with the padding in it, and girl, it holds the girls up. Yes, this is a must buy for sure. I will definitely be getting it in more colors. This top is really fun. It's definitely, you know, not everybody's taste, and it may offend some people, but I think this is what I'm wearing to the event. You'll probably see me wearing this, so look out for the girl wearing mother. They have this shirt in so many variations. You could have it with like the back cut out. You could have it in like an even shorter version or a tank top. Like there was all these different options. I love fun clothing like this. Like I said, I know it's not everybody's taste, but I think it's so fun. Here is the mother t-shirt. Here's the front. Here is the back. This skirt. I have a feeling I'm gonna wear this a lot. I don't care if you see me at Target wearing this, if you see me at the mall wearing this, if you see me at the gym wearing this. I don't think you understand the moment this is about to give. I wear this during winter with some tights. I wear this during summer with a crop top. Like, there's so many possibilities. Like, it's so cute. Honestly, out of everything, I think I might have been most excited to try this one piece on, because I had a feeling that I was just gonna fall in love when I saw it, and I'm gonna wear it a lot. It is a knit type of material, so I'm probably gonna wear like a little pair of black shorts underneath this. Actually, psych, scratch that. You might see me wearing this in like a white tank top at the event. Here is the skirt. I am in love. It fits so cute. So it is definitely a mini skirt, so you will have to wear it. I mean, obviously depending on your comfort level, I'm okay with just wearing some like biker shorts underneath. Here's a more up close look of the skirts. But yeah, on to the last item. On TikTok, I've seen so many people buy this bag on AliExpress, okay? Hi. Like, do you see this? Hi. And it also comes with a crossbody strap, but I will not be using that. I'm only going to be using it as a shoulder bag, but this is what the inside looks like. There is a little front pocket, and then the main pocket. They had this in a ton of different color variations, but I had to, of course, go with the classic silver. And if you can't tell, I am definitely loving the whole like chrome silver vibe again. I feel like that hasn't been popular since like 2016, and it's like coming back again. But look at this bag. She is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So that will be another bag to add to my collection, because that is what I am like currently obsessing over, purses. I'm super satisfied with everything that I ordered. I feel like everything is very, very good quality. Prices are very reasonable, so I am very happy about that as well. Remember, the pop-up event is across from the Nike store at the Grove in the Courtyard, the 19th to the 20th from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. So if you want to come and say hey to me, I'll be there. I'm gonna vlog the entire day, so make sure you come and say hey and pop up in my video. Everything will be linked below, and that's it from me today. I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye!